Hello, my name is Piotr Zwadowski. I'm responsible for Yugong business in Central East Europe. I'm responsible for team which support our dealers in Czech Republic. Yugong is fast-growing brand. We develop our products, but also we increase the range of the products.
Yugong nejenom v Evropě je úzce navázán na jednotlivá dealerská zastoupení v jednotlivých zemích.
We are working as a team. Yugong people, dealer, factory, we are all to support, to serve to our customers, to work with our machines.
Každá část trhu se chová jinak, má jiná očekávání, má jiné standardy. Pro nás je důležité tomu porozumět, zacílit a vyvinout stroj, ať už v konfiguracích, velikostech, parametrech, tak, aby odpovídal danému regionu, danému zákazníkovi a podle jeho očekávání.
To be successful in the local market, we need few things, because every machine is just a tool which has to work and earn money. So, the machine quality, new technology, working fast without any problem, this is one. But service support from the dealer side, good stock of spare parts for quick delivery, it always needed. Every machine is down. The machines are working with a very heavy environment. So it's normal that every machine needs some support. AB Machinery is a well-known company in the Czech and Slovakia, so we are happy to work with. There is a lot of people which are very focused on our product, which understand technology, and which are able to deliver our product to the market. Strong service, strong sales team, available spare parts. This is the key for our customers. This is what they like. This is why they love our dealer, so we love as well.